Hello, artist. We are off to a new project, starting to draw a beautiful parrot. And to begin with, like any type of critter that you're drawing, we're needing to draw the largest part of that critter first. So in this case, with the parrot, there's a large wing on the parrot. And so I'm going to begin with that part, and I'm starting with a pencil first. So I'm starting to shape the wing of the parrot. Then I'll add the head, the body, the large talons or feet, and I'm just getting these details sketched in. If you need to see a picture of a parrot while you're drawing this, you might want to look one up on the internet using any of the devices that you have to get an idea of what type of details you would be adding to your parrot. In my case, my parrot had very, very large feathers on the wing, and so I'm sketching those feathers in. And then on the chest or the breast of the parrot, it has small feathers, and I'm sketching those as very small feathers. And then the same on the head. We're going to continue this parrot next week. See you then.